What's up, world? It's your girl Bbeat Stylezz back with another video. This time we're doing a frontal ponytail install. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys now, price is about to change. I was on another girl's page, and yeah, she do this service, but she does not include the wash, the press, and none of that, and she charges way more than me. And I see here now offer all that, so yeah, you guys be prepared for a price increase. However, I cut out a lot of this video because I offer classes also, so I can't give you guys everything. There was a protective method that I did, and I cut it out of the video because you guys need to book the class so you can get the full 411. I know you guys seen that my client's edges was a little sparse, so I made sure that I did that protective technique so whenever she decides to take this out, that she will not pull any of her edges. Alright, now check her out. And then watch how she show out for her birthday. Ow, you see her. Link in the bio.